friends, today we're going to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob is a happy and silly sea sponge who lives in a pineapple under the sea. He's super cheerful and loves going on adventures with his friends, like Patrick the starfish and Squidward the grumpy squid. He's always ready for fun and laughter. So am I. Let's get started. Oops, we've already started. Okay, let's add his eyebrows. Add 2 little curves for his cheeks. Let's move on to his mouth. Connect 2 cheeks with a curve. Draw the bottom of his mouth. Now add teeth. He appears to be missing a lot of teeth. Maybe he ate too much candy. Actually, did you know? His favorite food is Krabby Patty, a delicious burger. He absolutely loves cooking and eating Krabby Patties. Let's add a little bit of hair to his one-piece head and body. We're going to draw some wavy lines now. Almost his whole body is made of wavy lines.
Hey, can you think of any other animals that are full of wavy lines?
An octopus. Their tentacles can create wavy patterns as they move through the water.
The bow is a number 8 sideways. Let's draw his square pants. Have you ever tried to wear square pants? It must be super cool. I will try it for my next costume party.
It doesn't sound very comfy.
Let's continue to draw his arm. His arms are very thin. Here comes the most difficult part. To draw his fist. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's add details to the side of his body. Now continue with his right arm. Another 2 outlines. The next step will be even more difficult. You can draw small circles to simplify the hands, like Doraemon's hands. They're equally good.
Shall we tell Mom that she missed one finger again?
Now let's finish his pants. It gets simpler because it's all straight lines. You can use a ruler if you want. It doesn't matter if the lines are not totally straight. Seems the lines Mom drew are not straight either.
But that's okay. Hakuna Matata.
Let's move on to his legs. His legs are slightly bent. We have also simplified his foot, like Peppa Pig. Now repeat the same thing for the other foot. Add some details to his socks. Our SpongeBob is done. Let's color it in. You can pick your own color. It doesn't have to be the same. I'll show you my SpongeBob in a second. Let's add some shade to his body. Hooray! Mom has finished. Let me show you how I draw. Okay, are you ready for SpongeBob's weird dancing show? Hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye.